In this tutorial, we will learn how to change both the font style and size in a PowerPoint presentation. Begin by launching PowerPoint on your computer. Once the application has opened, you will see the program's interface, which is designed to provide you with a range of tools for creating and editing your presentations. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the workspace before moving forward. After PowerPoint has successfully opened, locate the presentation that you wish to modify. This may involve opening a file that you have been working on or selecting a specific presentation from the list of available files. Make sure the presentation loads completely so that you can easily navigate your slides. Once the desired presentation is open, direct your attention to the slide containing the text you want to adjust. Now that you have the correct slide in view, click directly on the text box containing the text. This action signals to PowerPoint that you are ready to edit the content. When the text is highlighted within the text box, you will notice that additional options appear on the menu, allowing you to make changes to the selected text. If the text is not immediately highlighted, click a second time to ensure the text box is in editing mode. With the text selected, move your focus to the Home tab located at the top of the interface. The Home tab is an essential part of PowerPoint's ribbon, providing access to a variety of formatting and editing tools. It is within this section that the majority of the text editing features are housed, making it a crucial area for anyone looking to customize their presentation. While you're in the Home tab, you will encounter the Font section, which offers a range of options specifically related to text formatting. In the font section, you have the opportunity to transform the appearance of your text by selecting a different font style. Changing the font style can dramatically alter the overall feel of your presentation, whether you prefer a more modern, formal, or playful look. When you click on the font style drop-down, you will be presented with an array of font options. Take your time to scroll through and preview the different choices, then select the one that best suits your presentation's design and tone. After you have chosen the appropriate font style, it is time to adjust the font size. The font size option is typically found adjacent to the font style setting in the font section. Modifying the font size allows you to control the visibility and impact of your text. Larger sizes are excellent for headings and important points, while smaller sizes work well for supporting details. Click on the font size option and either choose a new value from the drop-down menu or type in your specific desired measurement if you have a particular size in mind. This step-by-step process of selecting your text, navigating to the Home tab, and using the font section to change both the style and size of the text makes it easy to customize your PowerPoint slides. By following these clear instructions, you can ensure that your presentation communicates your message effectively through your chosen visual style. Enjoy the process of personalizing your slides and experiment with different fonts and sizes to find the perfect combination that enhances your overall presentation design.